Are you struggling to really know who you are? Here are 5 easy to spot signs that show that you have a lack of identity or you have lost your identity somehow. The first one is self-doubt. You don't believe that anything you do is good, either as a wife, a mom, a career woman, a woman in business. You constantly tell yourself that you are not good enough. Please start celebrating your small wins. This will help you to truly know how to prepare for the big things that will come your way. The second sign is you are always bending your values. We don't really know who you are. You don't like some things, but because you don't want someone to say something that you do not like to you, you say yes and you do those things. So I want you to write out the values that you live by. Are you a person of love? So when someone is insulting someone beside you, you don't join them. The third one is you constantly need validation from people to feel good. Like social media, you post a picture, people don't like it, and you start feeling bad. You just made your hair, you just got a new dress, but you go out and nobody says anything about it. You are feeling like, I'm not okay. You are very okay. So begin to affirm yourself. This is who I am. I am beautiful. You don't need someone else to praise you before you know your worth. Let it come as an extra compliment. 4, you constantly get overwhelmed because you don't have boundaries. You overcommit and you lose a piece of yourself in the process. So you have to start small by saying no without guilt. Your well-being matters. You have to be fine before you can help others. The 5th one is you are going through life as it comes. You don't even know why you do the things you do. There is no direction to your life. What do you like? What are your passions? See, you are worth more than living in someone else's shadow. I know what it feels like. If any of the signs resonate with you today, please rediscover yourself. The world needs the real you.